Not gonna lie, I've been terrified of doing this for many days now. The fish is super tasty. Hi, welcome to Chicago Magazine's In the Kitchen. Today we are making a stewed fish with tomato from Chef Tai Dang at HaiSous, and this recipe was a harrowing adventure for me. All right, we're gonna start with the sauce for this fish, which is nice and tomatoey. With a pan over a medium heat, get a little bit of olive oil going in there. And then we're gonna saute some garlic, some diced shallots, or minced shallots, and then some minced scallion bottoms only. So just the ends, but not the hairy part. Gently saute and kind of get going. Then we will add some more from there. It smells really good. So once this has gotten going a little bit, you're gonna add some heat. We're just gonna stick with some red pepper flakes today. Get a little bit of seasoning going. We can add some salt, some pepper, and then a couple dashes of fish sauce if you'd like. Get that all nice and combined. Oh, it smells like fish sauce and literally nothing else. But I think that's okay. That's good. That's normal. We're gonna add the star ingredient, some tomatoes. We've got about 2.5 cups of chopped fresh tomatoes. And then we want about a cup of diced canned tomatoes as well. Last but not least, about 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. We're gonna keep this over medium heat until it boils. And then when it boils, we're gonna knock it back down to a simmer for about 30 minutes. We're gonna chop these scallion tops up that we held on to pretty thinly at a bias. We'll pop all these into this bowl of ice water. Just let them hang out in there for a few minutes. I have been quietly dreading this part. So we're cooking a whole fish today. This particular one is a yellowtail snapper. Any sort of seawater fish will do. This is just the one that looked nicest today. It should be about 2 to 3 pounds. We've got to cut off his fins. And not gonna lie, I've been terrified of doing this for many days now. I'm gonna go in with some kitchen scissors and just see what happens. I would like to apologize in advance to this beautiful fish who sacrificed his life for me to mangle his fins. I guess just like lift it. This seems right. Got another one over here. I'm sure there's like a cool chef way to do this, but I don't know if you've noticed this yet. I'm neither cool nor a chef. Okay, just going in for a haircut. I'm very bad at cutting things, and guess what? It really shows. It's fine. There we go. Now that we've removed his beloved fins, rinsed out the cavity, the inside, to get any little last bits of blood or detritus out of him. Pat it dry. Pat inside. Before we pop this in the oven, just hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Outside and inside. Then it can go in the oven for just 10 minutes at 375. To finish the fish off, just needs a couple of minutes in this tomato sauce that's been slowly simmering away. Just gonna take this fish, it's not super hot to the touch. He's just gonna spend the last 2 minutes in here finishing off. Okay, now he's ready to plate up and serve. Greens wise, we've got these chopped scallion tops and then some cilantro. You ready to eat? Ooh. It's spicy. It's also very green and clean and fresh. The fish is super tasty. I think you could do this with all number of fishes. Any fish you so desired, and it would be a delicious dinner. All right, I'm gonna go eat this and feel great about myself.